In this video, we are going to see and resolve this problem that whenever you're trying to open any particular setup or software file, it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? To continue, enter an admin username and password, but there is no option to enter or there is no yes button. So how we can resolve this? Let's see. First of all, whatever error message you receive, just close it from the top and then head over to the start menu and right here, advanced startup. You will get the change advanced startup options. Click on that. And under the advanced startup, which you can see right at the front, or otherwise you click on the system if you're using Windows 11, or if you're using Windows 10, it will automatically land to this section. So basically we want to click on restart now. So once we restart it from here, you get these options, choose what to do. We will click on the troubleshooter and click on advanced options. From here, we choose startup settings. And here we just click on the restart button. It will do all of these stuff. Click on this. Basically, it gives us all of that options that you've seen before. So let's say that we want to load in safe mode. We need to choose 4. So press 4 on your keyboard. Log in quickly, enter your password. And you can notice that we are in the safe mode. Safe mode is written all around here. Now we click on the Windows, right here, run, or otherwise just use the Windows plus R key. And right here, this command, net pl viz, and hit enter. From here, you might get the yes option or prompt, or otherwise it will open up directly. And from here, if you get multiple profiles, you just click on your PC name. That in my case is only one. And it says user must enter a username and password to use this computer. Just make sure to uncheck this and check this again. And then we double click on it, click on the group membership, and make sure from the standard user you switch to administrator. Click apply and OK, and apply and OK here as well. After that, it might ask you that do you want to restart your computer? Do you want to sign out or so? Click on yes, it will sign out and it will restart your computer. If not, you can restart it yourself. And after that, it will load up in a normal way. You just log in again, try to run that software, and your problem should be gone. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.